Have you seen those Minecraft mods with the realistic physics? Well, today we're going to be trying that, but on steroids. That's right, today I'm playing the Minecraft Physics Pro mod, which involves realistic explosions, giant waves in the ocean, and realistic water splashes, and so much more. So let's get straight into it. I've seen a couple screenshots from this mod and it looks insane, so I'm excited to try this. This is going to be amazing, but my computer's probably going to explode, so I don't know if I should even have shaders on. I think it looks cool. Okay, so you know this is already how the mod works. When you break blocks, they just fall to bits. That's on the physics mod, and now loads of new features for the pro physics mod. So I know that you can do fire. I've heard about that, so let's try that first. Let's just set this tree on fire and see what happens. Oh my god, the leaves just fell off straight away. Oh my god, you can literally see smoke. That's sick. Well, that is insane. There's literally smoke from this tree. I want to see what happens when you set an actual bush on fire. So cool. I never thought I was going to see Minecraft this, like, realistic with smoke. The smoke looks so good, like, compared to the campfire smoke you get. Right, there's one thing I want to try with I hadn't even thought about before. It's TNT with the smoke. So let's try and see what happens with the smoke with TNT. Sheesh! Whoa. Look at that realistic smoke. And that is crazy. Oh, look at the smoke hanging around under this tree. And then it just goes up into the air. Alright. So I've just made a solid 5x5 block of TNT. Let's see what happens to this smoke. Oh my god. My computer. Oh shit. Look at the bits flying everywhere. Oh my god. My FPS just dropped. Wow, that was quite something. So I know the water physics on this is insane. Oh, can you see the waves? There's really cool wave system on this. That's so cool. Ha! Look how realistic that looks with the waves. What is it like when you swim? Oh, that is so sick. I'm actually shocked. I've never known Minecraft to look this realistic and good. The boat is actually tipping side to side and it's splashing when I'm rowing the boat. I want to actually like fly to the ocean just to see the proper waves. Okay, now we're in the ocean. Look underneath the waves. That is so insane. I think we can change the settings and mess around with the waves. So let's have a go at that. Height. Oh my god, look at the background changing right now. Oh my god, I'm literally making a tsunami, but low to them. Alright, I don't know what I've just done, but I've messed up the way. Oh my god. Look at the waves, bruh. It's literally throwing me. Bruh. This is the craziest waves you've ever seen in Minecraft. My boat is getting launched. This is literally the Titanic in Minecraft. Oh my god. Flip the boat. Can I do a side flip? Oh, I just ate the ocean. Oh my god, my poor face. It's getting smashed to bits. Okay, let's try this. This is like big waves. Semi-realistic. Okay, that is a bit more realistic. Let's just pretend we're like in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean or some shit. Even though there's land right there, but still. You get the gist. This actually looks pretty cool. Certainly gives you more of a real life feel to Minecraft when you're traveling in a boat. Actually got to like navigate and see bits of land sticking out past the giant waves. You can change like loads of details. I wanted to make the waves bigger, but I'm not really sure how. I'll try and figure that out, like to tsunami level, but this is pretty sick. Oh, look at these big ass waves. I really want to see how big these waves go. Okay, horizontal scale to the max, height to the max, wave distance to shore pretty low. So let's see what happens. I think this will be bigger waves than we did before. Oh my god. What the hell, boy? This is insane. It's third person. Sheesh. This is sick. My poor guy is just getting launched on his side. Sheesh. You can hit these waves and do spins, do tricks. Oh my god, this is absolute chaos. I can't believe how sharp I've made them. Alright, so I think when the weather's bad, it makes this a lot worse. So it makes the waves crazy. So let's do thunder and see what happens. Oh my god. Alright, this is scary. Bruh, what? This is crazy. I'm literally making like the sharpest tsunamis in Minecraft. Oh my god. Sheesh. Oh, the thunder makes it even scarier. My FPS is like fried right now. Alright, let's try and make the waves a little less sharp. Okay, so this should be less sharp but big tsunamis. Okay, oh my god, it's mental. Why are the waves so fast? I need to slow them down. Okay, this is like realistic now. This is like realistic in the middle of the ocean type waves. The rain is splashing down on the water, which is pretty cool. Yeah, in first person, this is like kind of sick. Feels like the most realistic like ocean exploration ever. This seaweed is actually out of the ocean. Sheesh. You can literally surf the waves. Whoa, that is like tsunami vibes. Jeez. When you're at the bottom of a wave and it's huge. That is insane. I honestly... Look at this. I'm riding the waves. Sheesh. Oh my god. Let's just break a little pool here and I'm going to show you the crazy liquid features if it lets me. I haven't even seen any of this before, so this is going to be pretty insane. I don't know what to expect. It is a beta feature, so it's not like fully done yet, but we'll try it. Okay, I've just been messing around with the shaders and I've made this happen. This looks pretty damn sick. Pretty realistic with the BSL shaders. I'm not sure it's supposed to work with the shader, but it does look sick. Look at that water. That's insane. You can literally kick it around. This is so cool. I'm making a glass box. So then I can... Oh, shit. That's the mod. I completely forgot the whole shit crumbles.
Hi.
My girlfriend just asked me what's the mod, and then I accidentally showed her by accident. In the worst way. Alright, so I'm building a glass box. I just realised this ain't going to work. Well, it will work, but I'll have to leave a gap. Let's see if this works. So I'm in this pit of glass. I've left a hole on purpose, so let's go / liquids sphere my quartz and then free radius. Oh my god, look at the water. Wow, okay, it's going everywhere. Look at it pouring through. That is so weird. Sheesh, look how sick this is. It's a pool of water. You can kick the bubbles around and it's all pouring out here. It's kind of not pouring out very well. It's literally just dribbling out. Cool. Let's see what happens when I break this. Should we break it? Smash the subscribe button and the like button and let's get 400 subscribers. Let's break this shit. Oh my god. Bruh. Glass and bubbles everywhere. Look at it pouring in. Huh. The bubbles are literally pouring in. It's filling up, is it? I don't know. It's so cool. When you jump in here, it splashes everywhere. It feels more like I'm in a ball pool, though, than an actual swimming pool right now. But it just looks so sick. Free. Enter. Sheesh. Oh my god. It's chaos. That's pouring like real water. That's sick. Look at that. I can't believe this is Minecraft we're looking at right now. The bubbles are kind of glitching through. I guess they're like dripping through the glass, but I don't know if my computer can actually handle this. I don't know. It might just be a computer or it might be... Can't tell if this is a computer problem or if it's just shaders that I'm using. But it's pretty sick. You can just kick the water around, which is just insane, really. Vines, doors, and trapdoors. Let's see what these the physics are like on these signs. Does it move? I don't know. Oh, cool. E. What about the trapdoors? What's so special? Oh, they shake. Oh. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's sick. Look at this animation for the trapdoor. That is like... Look, all you got to do is that. Boom, you got a Flappy Bird. Bruh. Oh, that's so sick. That is the coolest thing ever. It's got so much motion. You can just slam the door in somebody's face with style. I still don't get what the signs are. We? I didn't mean to put that, but... We... The hanging signs don't really do much, but when you smack them, they fall off. That's sick. So the banners actually flop around. That is sick. That's so cool. Look at this pillager one. That is really cool. You know, if they actually put this in the game, it would be sick. The mods are literally like better than the game at this point. It's insane. It's so sick. I love this. The waves look amazing from here. Snowballs, ender pearls, eggs can now shatter into pieces when hitting an object. Cool. Alright, let's throw an egg. Ha! Oh, cool. That's cool. I thought it was going to crack, but I guess they can't do too much animation. Eye of Ender. Okay, that's pretty normal, I think. Ender pearl? I don't know. It's hard to see. Oh, that's cool. It rolls around. Snowball. This is the one I'm most excited for. Oh, okay. Fair enough. Huh. That's sick. You actually feel like you're in a fight. Bosh, bosh, bosh. They're bouncing all over the place. Look, I could throw a snowball at another snowball. Huh. The sunset. Oh, can we just take in this sunset for a minute? Wow. What about these vines? That's insane. Look at this. Yeet. So it's been sick, actually. I really like the waves and how these doors swing around is pretty sick, and the water as well. But you just got to find the right shaders to work with the water. But yeah, this is the physics mod. This is the physics pro mod, and it's pretty sick. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Hit the like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Peace.